Imagine living in a small valley where mysterious lights appear in the sky almost every single night. Scientists have studied them for decades, yet no one can fully explain them. Deep in the mountains of Norway lies a quiet place called Hessdalen Valley. Everything seemed normal until the early 1980s. Residents began seeing strange glowing lights floating silently across the sky. Some lights hovered for several minutes. Others moved at incredible speeds. Some even changed colors, from bright white to yellow to deep red. Witnesses claimed the lights sometimes followed cars or stopped suddenly in midair. As reports increased, scientists decided to investigate. They installed cameras, radar, laser equipment, and electromagnetic sensors. To everyone's surprise, the instruments also detected the mysterious lights. This wasn't just people's imagination. Over the years, researchers proposed many theories. Plasma created by underground minerals, rare atmospheric electricity, unknown geological reactions, but none of them explain every sighting. Even today, the lights still appear. More than 40 years later, the Hessdalen lights remain one of the world's greatest scientific mysteries. Are they simply a rare natural phenomenon, or something we still don't understand? What do you think? Natural phenomenon, or something far more mysterious? Comment your theory below. And click the related video to watch another unbelievable true mystery on FactVerse Hub.